I am Emilia Saiz, the Secretary General of United Cities and Local Governments. Thank you for having followed and participated in our training course, Localizing the SDGs, Tools for Local Transformation. We are very happy to be able to count on you to spread the word. And we are most delighted that you share the conviction that only by embracing the agendas at local level, but making sure that the communities up upon them, we will be able to reach the global goals. Thank you for sharing the vision that global objectives are linked with local realities and local action. And that only by owning global agendas at the level of the communities, we will be able to trigger the transformation that we all need. You have become part of a community of trainers, training others to follow the same goals and objectives. We count on you. We count on you to spread the word, to inspire others. And we are grateful for the job that you have done, but most of all, for the job ahead. We're also grateful for all those elected officials that keep inspiring our work, giving us direction. And in particular, I would like to thank here the province of Barcelona. We have always enjoyed our collaboration with the province of Barcelona and would like to continue down that path. Also, thank you to all the teachers, to the trainers that have been helping us go through the materials. Also, thank you to the team of Diputación that has been working on these topics with us for a very long time. And thank you to my own team as well, United Cities and Local Governments colleagues from the learning area who have put their heart and soul into making sure that these materials are going to be an inspiration to you all. Thank you again. Keep following us and be part of this community.